Welcome to English in a Minute. Today's episode won't cost you anything.
Freebie.
Let's see what this one is about.
Anna, I love my job.
Oh yeah? Why is that?
I get so many freebies from the bands I write about. CDs, t-shirts, water bottles, even tickets to see them perform.
Wow. The only freebie I ever got from my job was this bottle of spray cleaner.
A freebie is something that is given for free. In our example, Jonathan gets free products from the music groups he writes about. Businesses often give out freebies to advertise their products. You can use this expression in any situation where someone receives something for free. And that's English in a Minute.